I didn't pay for this. You saw me log in, you saw me sign up. This is totally free, and it says upgrade right here. It brings another bar replay to there and say, okay, cool, I want to start from here. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy OMG Pips back again with another banger. Anyway, man, today I'm bringing you guys what could be the best video you've seen today. Alright, stay with me. Listen, I just discovered this magnificent website that allows you to use the bar replay, the one that you pay for on TradingView. You can use that bar replay on this website for free. Multi-window tabs that you see on TradingView, you can use on this website for free, and there are a lot more in which on TradingView you'd have to pay for. Alright, stick to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and even if you're old, please subscribe, like the video, comment, and help us get this channel to 2,000 subscribers. Alright, let's get it. So the name of the website is called gochatting.com. gochatting.com. Alright, so this is how the website looks. Everything on TradingView you can find on this website: the products, the features, the pricing, everything. So when you see this pricing, do not be intimidated. Alright, I said this website is free, and that is exactly what I meant. So you want to use the bar replay, right? You want to backtest your strategy. You want to see how it works in different conditions, how it moves on different pairs, how it operates, right? So you go to products. After you go to products, you go to these charts, and it'll open a different tab. So let me just close this. Once it has loaded, it'll bring this screen. Just click dismiss, close that ad. As you can see, everything looks just like on TradingView, except it's a different kind of theme, right? Stay with me. So tools are right here, and everything else on the right side of the screen. If you want to choose a pair, you go right there, search for something. Let's say USD, right? USD JPY. It loads, and then it brings you USD JPY, just like TradingView. And if you want to access your watch list, you come to this menu right here, and then come to this tab that says, come to this button that says watch list. Click on that. After you click on that, you will get this window in which you have to sign up for an account or just log in with your Google account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Give it a second. Once you're logged in, it's just like you're logged in, bruh. You're inside. We're inside that shit. On our watch list, we don't have anything. Make it tinier. You can add symbols. Let's say we want to add NAS 100. Once you've added them, you can click through them. Alright, the chart is right there. So let's say we want to backtest gold, right? Let's say we want to use the bar replay on gold. You can favorite them just so you don't have to type shit. So those are the time frames right there. Let me add 4 hours or cool. Chart types, you can choose whatever chart type you want, but as you know, let's just leave it here. I see a setup on gold. Fuck. Alright, nah, we're not here to trade, we're here to demonstrate backtesting, right? So we come to the bar replay, and on the bar replay you can see it has these keys right here. So select candle, start bar replay mode, right? So let's say we want to start from there. So we double click it, and then it cuts. Alright, and once it's cut, click on your bar replay right there. That is the speed. So it moves at 1 candle per second, right? So if we want it to move a little bit faster, we move this tuner or this gauge to the left, and then it starts moving fast, right? Let's say take it a little bit slow, bruh. Come on. See, so it just depends on whatever speed you want to use the tool on. You don't have to pay for this feature. This feature is completely free, unlike TradingView. You can use this to backtest your strategy, technical analysis, backtest different pairs, and see how your strategy is performing in real-time markets. Alright, And the other feature that I mentioned at the beginning of this video is that you can use 2 windows absolutely free. You can't do this on TradingView. TradingView gonna make you pay for this shit, bruh. Let's say we want 4 charts, bro. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying, bruh? Can you see what I'm showing you guys? Huh? This is tremendous. I didn't pay for this. You saw me log in, you saw me sign up. This is totally free, and it says upgrade right here. And if we go, let's say we have gold here. What do we have here? We have gold as well. So we want to change this chart into, put Nasdaq here. It takes a second to load, but it does the job. We have Nasdaq here. Here we have gold. I don't know if you can see, but here we have gold. Here we have Nasdaq. Let's say we want Euro USD. What is Euro USD? Fuck. Euro USD. So we want to put Euro USD, right? We want to put Euro USD in here. So we click Euro USD and the chart changes. Give it a second. Eventually it's gonna change, right? Alright, so Euro USD failed to come through, but it is what it is. So let's say we're backtesting gold this side. Let me make it move a little bit faster. I can backtest gold this side. Come to Nasdaq, click the bar replay tool. It brings another bar replay tool there, and say, okay, cool. I want to start from here. Start backtesting. You backtest Nasdaq 100 this side. So I don't know what else you can ask for, bruh. Like seriously. And finally Euro USD has loaded, so you can see. Can TradingView do this, bruh? I don't think so. TradingView, you need to pull your pants up, boy. You need to pull your socks up, because this is amazing, bruh. The website is right here, gocharting.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And if you want to learn technical analysis, I teach it for free. You can join my free Telegram group, link in the description, and see what you can do, bruh. So I'll go back to the single chart. We have gold right there. I don't want the bar replay anymore. Let's go to the 1 hour. There's another feature. When you want to take a screenshot, right? Let's say you want to take a screenshot of this chart. You come right here, and then it screenshots your chart right there. You can download it, you can copy the link, you can share it. So Go Charting has everything TradingView has, but for free. It's your boy OMG Pips. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah, let's get it.
And remember, forex are talking about. We came in this game for money. We came in this game to end it. So we are not here to play games.